Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2011 Ford F350 Super Duty. Stock number is T19958B. Take notice of the exterior condition on your virtual video walk around. This is the forest green metallic in color FX4 off-road package on it. Tow package. This is a truck, I'll tell you what. Making our way around to the front, we're going to take you in the interior of the vehicle. This vehicle's had a 150-point vehicle inspection. It's got the Power Stroke 6.7 liter V8 motor in it. Take a look at the interior. Leather. It's got the moonroof. Low miles to boot. Super clean. Fully accessible with all the control panels right there in front of your arm's length. For more information on this Super Duty, you know she's not going to last long, call, email, or text us for more information, or we invite you to stop on by at Sunset Ford for more information, and we look forward to earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around.